guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your REALME C53. So on the first app, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it now. Allow permissions the camera into the files and click on the plus. Now, at the start, you can get your free credits here. Okay, now click on the plus and choose the source of your document, like this picture for example. Now click on the import. You can add use a shape to the document and click on the arrow. Now, choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver and click on the accept icon if you're ready. Now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send these documents, okay, get your free credits and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.